Hi students, welcome to Botany Online class. Today we are going to learn about types of ecosystem. So first of all, what is the ecosystem? So these are resulting from organisms or the integrations of all living and non-living factors of environment. That's why ecosystems are the structural and functional unit of ecology. That's why ecosystem. Now we are going to discuss about types of ecosystem. First of all, so what is biosphere? So the biosphere's origins from two Greek words. They are bio, another one sir, sphere. So what is meaning the bio? Bio means life. Sphere means sphere. So that word biosphere or the earth surface of the world where the life is exceeded. That's why biosphere. So the biosphere consists the biosphere consists of different type of the ecosystems. Especially there are the two type of the ecosystem. They are natural ecosystem. Another one is artificial ecosystem. First one is natural ecosystem. Another one is artificial or man ecosystem. So what is the natural ecosystem? So the natural ecosystem, they are these are maintained with natural condition or themselves of natural condition by majority of natural things without human interference. That's why natural ecosystems. This natural ecosystem based on some kinds of habitats. These are further divided as terrestrial ecosystem. Another one is aquatic ecosystem. So the natural ecosystems based on this, some of the kinds of habitats, these are further divided as terrestrial ecosystem. Another one is aquatic ecosystems. So first one is terrestrial ecosystem. So actually there is an ecosystem found in the land regions of world. That's why terrestrial ecosystem. Another one is aquatic ecosystem. These aquatic ecosystems usually the water surface of the world. That's why aquatic ecosystems. So first one, terrestrial ecosystem. For example, this grassland ecosystem. Another one is forest ecosystem. And last one is desert ecosystem. There are the three kinds of the ecosystem. For example, terrestrial ecosystem, again grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem. All are, they contain biotic and abiotic factors. Otherwise the biotics are producers start from this and herbivorous and top carnivorous. All are they located in the land surface of the earth. That's why terrestrial ecosystem. Another one is aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystems, the regions of water surface of the world. That's why aquatic ecosystem. These are further classified into the two types based on the presence and absence of salt. There are the two types. They are fresh water ecosystem. Another one is marine water ecosystem. So first of all, gently, you see the freshwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem, thus waters do not contain the salt. That's why freshwater ecosystem. Others, marine waters, this water contain the salt. That's why marine water ecosystem. Then the freshwater ecosystems further classified into the two types based on their movement of waters. There are the two types. They are lotic. Other ones are lentic. So the lotic means the waters move from the one place to the other place. That means that the loting. The running of water bodies called the lotic. Other ones lentic. Thus waters does not move from the one place to the another place. The standing water bodies called the lentic. For example, in lotics, the lotics are the movement of waters. For example, river, spring, stream, and etc. That are example for the lotic. Another one is landic. That are the standing waters of the body. That is called the landic. For example, this farm, lake, and etc. That are example for lotic. Another one, sir, marine water ecosystem. The marine water ecosystem, these are deep bodies of the ocean or the shallow area of sea or estuaries. That's why marine water ecosystem. And finally, artificial or man-made ecosystems. What is mean the artificial or man-made ecosystems? These are maintained for artificially by the man. The man is controlled by biotic communities as well as physical, chemical environment of this. So that is called artificial or man-made ecosystem. For example, this rice field, maize field, another one is wheat field. That are example for man-made ecosystem. So today class is over. Thank you.